Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add bulk contacts to a WhatsApp group easily instead of adding the people one by one. So first of all, you need to understand one thing clearly. WhatsApp doesn't allow the unlimited instant adding in one simple tap, but there is a smart way to add many people quickly without wasting your time. So first of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application on your phone. Over here, tap on the three dots on the top right hand corner. Now, among the given options, simply tap on the option of new group. Now, over here, instead of selecting one contact at a time slowly, you just have to tap on the multiple contacts quickly, one after another. WhatsApp is going to let you select as many people as you want at once. So after selecting, you just have to simply tap on the option of this arrow icon or next. Now you need to set your group name, then create the group. All selected contacts will be added in this particular group instantly. Now in the method 2, what you can do is you can just simply get the invite link of your group. So here, when you tap on the option of your group, you are going to see the option of inviting the people via a link. So after copy that link, you can just simply send the link to all of the contacts whom you want to join into the WhatsApp group. So when someone taps on that link, they will automatically be added in your WhatsApp group. So this too is one of the fastest way with the help of which you can add 50 to 100 or even more people into your group very easily. So here is a bonus tip that I would like to give you. You can create a broadcast list first to message many people at once, and then you can share the group link there for fast joining. Just remember that people must have your number saved to receive the broadcast messages. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.